I'm exhausted.
Go and take a nap.
I have no time to take a nap.
Really, and I care.
I can't even keep my eyes open.
Go and have some coffee. It's right over there.
I'm not in the mood for any coffee right now. I don't have time to go get coffee. I have so much to do. I work.
Whatever, Linda. Did I tell you what happened to me last Wednesday?
Yeah, I think.
You sure?
Yeah, you fell down the stairs, right?
No, I didn't.
Oh, wait. That was Bill.
That makes sense. So I didn't tell you what happened last Wednesday.
Nope. But I'm sure you want to, so go ahead. Bleeding again? Sorry, that was my fault. You want to know how?
Yeah.
I thought about how I would love to punch you in the face.
Excuse me?
Yeah. So your nose would start bleeding. And actually, that's exactly what happened. Just so you could stop talking.
I didn't mean to bother you.
You don't bother me.